Hi, to turn on and off your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, as a first step, let me show you how to turn it off. For that, we got 3 ways. And the first one is you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and from here swipe again so you could see the upper panel. Now you should see this small power button which you need to tap on, and after that you'll see this power off menu appears on the screen. So just tap power off, then confirm by tapping it again, and now you should see the Samsung logo. You should feel and hear this slight vibration, and then your screen will be completely turned off. So to turn it back on, we would need to find the power button, which is located on the top of your tab if you hold it in this landscape view. So this small button is power button, which we need to hold until we could see the Samsung logo appears on the screen again. And now we can release it and just wait for it to turn back on itself. Great, and now let me show you the second way how you can turn off your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. For that, we will need to find power and volume down buttons. So in my case, they are located on the top of the tab. The small one is power button, just as I said before, and this one is volume down buttons. So just press and hold them till you can see the power off menu appears on the screen, like that. And from here, you will need to select power off as we did before, and then tap it again. And the last way how you can turn off your tab is to hold just power button. So let me show you. Here is the power button, and let's just hold it. And as you can see, in my case, Bixby enables. So if Bixby enables in your case too, then we will need to go in the settings. From here, scroll so we could see this advanced features tab. And here, select side button settings. And now, for press and hold, we will need to switch from Wake Up Bixby to Power Off menu. Let's test it. So I'm gonna hold just the power button. And yep, now the Power Off menu appears on the screen. And as I said before, simply select Power Off and then tap this icon again to confirm. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.